If you're a boater or a fisherman, weather can affect everything we do in a day. Be it wind, rain, or storms, weather is an important part of our decision-making process. We can all check the weather forecast on our computers or TV before we leave the house. But what if you had a complete weather station right at your fingertips while you were boating or fishing? That's exactly what you get with the Lowrance high-definition system equipped with Sirius Marine Weather. Sirius Marine Weather teamed with Lowrance to give you the ability to have mobile weather information all day long. You can get the big picture on weather across North America, regionally, or locally. You can get weather radar. You can track storms, check weather forecast, and see current winds all on your Lowrance HDS. With Sirius Marine Weather, now you can get National Weather Service data and state-of-the-art forecasting that is supplied by WSI Corporation, a member of the Weather Channel companies. This system takes the question out of weather safety and helps the boater and fisherman make location and technique decisions based on updated weather. Now you can have your own weather station right in your boat. All this information can be yours, and here's how. Installation is a simple procedure of mounting the weather module, the router, and connecting them to your Lowrance HDS unit. Then call the Sirius activation number, give them the ESN number off the unit, payment for the service, and the unit will be activated. There are various programs available for the Sirius Marine Weather. Pick the one that best suits your needs. Whether you fish coastal waters, the Great Lakes, natural lakes, reservoirs, or rivers, wind can determine your fishing areas and techniques. Now with Sirius Marine Weather and your Lowrance HDS, you can see the current winds and the forecasted winds for the body of water you are going to fish. You'll be able to determine wind direction and velocity before you get to the water. This will help take the guessing out of where you're going to fish. Wind can create current in neck-down areas, across reefs, change river currents, and create mudlines. All of these are important factors for the angler to know when hitting the water, because the effects of wind can impact the location of forage and game fish. If you're on a large reservoir, you now know where the mudlines will be because of the ability to see the wind barbs. If you're going to fish one of the Great Lakes, you can get buoy updates that include wind speeds, water and air temperatures, and wave heights. There's no more question if it's going to be too rough to fish. If you're fishing a natural lake or a river, you can look at the wind direction and velocity on various lakes and then make a decision on where you may want to fish. This tool just made the boater and fisherman's decision-making process easier and more precise because you now can see the winds before you leave to the lake. Once you've seen the wind forecast, now you can check on the precipitation outlook for where you are going. Not being prepared for rain while you're fishing can take all the fun out of a trip. With Sirius Marine Weather and Lowrance HDS, you can now see all the precipitation in your local and regional area. You can track rainstorms with your unit. Will it rain today will no longer be the question. You'll be able to make decisions on when to get off the water based on current weather radar and the precipitation forecast right from your Lowrance HDS. Knowing when rain is on the way will help you in your fishing decisions. Rainstorms usually bring a change in barometric pressure, and this will affect the fish and their behavior. On any body of water, big or small, your greatest concern is getting caught in a storm. With Sirius Marine Weather, you get lightning tracking, storm tracks, storm attributes, and severe weather watches. You can track wave heights on the Great Lakes, and most importantly, with weather radar, you can track storms and know when to head back to safety. With the Sirius Marine Weather, you know when to get off the water. Also, by tracking these storms, you can make tactical decisions on techniques and locations. Storm fronts can turn fish on, and if you know what's coming, you can change to the proper location and technique. Remember, you can check your area weather from the comfort of your boat before you even get to the water. you can make a decision on where and when you go based on what weather you'll be confronted with throughout the day. Knowing, understanding, and using the Sirius Marine Weather and Lowrance HDS will make you a more efficient, safer boater and fisherman. No more questions, just answers. Don't forget other options available with the Sirius Marine Weather. High-quality stereo output with over 130 Sirius satellite radio channels, including 100% commercial-free music. Sports, including NASCAR, NFL, college sports, news, talk, and entertainment. Sirius Marine Weather and the Lowrance HDS revolution are changing everything, making it easier and safer for the boater and fisherman to be on the water.